Okay, so our question here, we want to work out the area of each of these two shapes, but first we have a semicircle and we need to work our answer correct to one decimal place. And now the way to work out the area of a semicircle is to work out the area of a full circle first, which is pi radius squared. And of course, because this is a semicircle, you divide this by 2, and of course pi is there and the radius. Now if you look at the diameter, you find that's 11.7, and so if you want to work out the radius, you will divide this diameter, half it by 2, and so we do 11.7 divided by 2, that will be 5.85. so we multiply this by 5.85 squared, and of course you half it. And of course if you do this, you have to multiply that by pi. Of course you do pi first times 5.85 squared. Of course you divide this by 2, and that's going to give you 53.756, but to one decimal place that will be 53.8, and the unit is centimeter squared. So actually here the answer here is 53.8. And the second one, we have a quarter of a circle which has a radius of 6.6. Now to find the area of a quarter circle, first you work out the area of a full circle, and of course then divide it by 4, and of course you know that pi is still remains the same, and the radius is 6.6 squared, and of course you divide by 4, and here you go pi times 6.6 squared, and of course you divide that by 4, and that will give you 34.211, but to one decimal place that's going to be 34.2, so this is 34.2 centimeters squared, and of course you can put it here, 34, okay, 34.2, and here is the result for the semicircle, and this is for the quarter circle. Okay.